ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi mamba sengiyavala ekseni book of Proverbs 3 verse 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him and he will make your plans straight. Mambela livesi esiqala isonto siqala impela sonto. Themba kuJehova ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakho, unganciki kokwakho ukuqonda. Ngicela ukuthi ke namhlanje kufunde, you must learn to trust the Lord even if his plans don't make any sense to you at the moment. Learn to trust his plans even if it doesn't make any sense to you at the moment. Ujwayele ukuthi umthembu uNkulunkulu noma ngaleso sikhathi kungayenzi isense, ngoba sometimes when you try to make sense with the Lord, you will not see his provision and you will not see his breakthrough. But uNkulunkulu ufuna abantu abazomthemba noma kwamanje leyo nto ingayenzi sense, but learn to trust him. Imagine abantu ababesemshadweni waseKhana laseGalile, kuphela iwayini, uJesu batshela ukuthi abafaka amanzi eimbizeni, la ngabe kufaka khona iwayini uthi uJesu abafaka amanzi. That does not make any sense for umuntu okwazi ukwenza iwayini, kodwa bamthemba uNkulunkulu noma into ayisho ingayenzi sense, ngoba they knew ukuthi ma kwenza uNkulunkulu lokho akakwenzayo uNkulunkulu, icebo lakhe neplan yakhe izohlezi iyiyo futhi yohlezi iqondile. Baqhubeka bafaka amanzi eimbizeni even if it did not make any sense to them, but they continued to pour water into the jars, and guess what, water turned into wine. Ngoba bathi siyamthemba uNkulunkulu even if it doesn't make sense ukuthi njengamanje why kwenzeka lokho empilweni yami. Imagine kwathiwa uAbraham akaphume eshiya ihlobo zakhe izulu kangalazi, it did not make any sense ukuthi why would I leave imndeni wami ngishiya izulu lami, uNkulunkulu ufuna ukwenzani, but he trusted his plan even if it did not make any sense. Wathi sekunjalo uNkulunkulu wambusisa, wamenza uNkulunkulu waba nenzalo, wamenza waba ubaba wezizwe eziningi, because he trusted God noma kwangayenzi sense. Kufunda ukumethemba uNkulunkulu noma kungayenzi sense, uyibuza ukuthi kungani uNkulunkulu evumele lokhu, mthembe noma kunjalo, ngoba God has the master plan. Uyazi ukuthi kungani lokhu ekuvumele kwenzeke empilweni yakho. Yes, kwamanje you don't understand why you had to go through what you are going through at the moment, but at the end it will make perfect sense. Ngakho mthemba uNkulunkulu noma kungayenzi sense kwamanje, mkholo uNkulunkulu noma kungayenzi sense kwamanje, ngoba uNkulunkulu has a bigger picture. uNkulunkulu ubona ngaphezulu kwakho, ngakho mthembe, ekugcineni it will make perfect sense. Qhubeka umkhole, qhubeka umthembe. Mhlawumbe uyayibuza ukuthi why uNkulunkulu enze ngangawuthola lo msebenzi ngibe ngufuna kangaka. God has better plans for you. Unokungcono akakuhlelele khona. Ma esekukhombisa ukuthi kungani kwakumele kwenzeke kanje, you will see ukuthi okay, now I understand why I had to go through lezi zinto engidlule kuzona. Sometimes when I sit down and reminisce and reflect, ngibuka izinto engidlule kuzona, ngiyabona ukuthi kwakufanele ngidlule kulesi yasimo, ngoba kuba kuthiwa ngidlulanga kuso ngaba ngikho la ngikhona manje, ngaba ngimbona uNkulunkulu ngendlela engimbona ngayo. Khona izinto engadlula kuzona, nkathi ngidlula kuzona ngangiquestion uNkulunkulu, but uNkulunkulu wangifundisa wathi sometimes ngikudlulisa emanzini amaningi ngoba ngifuna isitha singakwazi ukungenela usuku ukhona, ngoba khona izinto engisuke ngifuna ukutraina kuzona. Masubona 10 years down the line usuyabona ukuthi kwakuswelekile ukuba ngidlule kulezi yazinto ukuze kube khona icharacter uNkulunkulu akayenzayo kumina, akayibuildayo kumina. Trust his plan even if it doesn't make sense at the moment. Uyazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi wenzani, uyazi ukuthi kungani bekushile laba bakushile, uyazi ukuthi kungani lo wamnyango ukuvalelekile, uyazi ukuthi kungani bekukhohlwe laba bekumele bengakhohlwa. Trust his plan even if it doesn't make sense at the moment. Uyazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi kungani evumele wadlula kulezi zinto odlule kuzona. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.